Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video and taking time out of your day to watch it. I am going to open my Boxycharm for the month of September. There's some items in here I want to incorporate with a look I'm going to do later. So I'm going to be wearing this shirt a couple times. Boxycharm is a subscription service. I do believe it's $21, but I got an email and it's going to go up. I'll put that information down in the cards. Every month you get 5 items, and then you can upgrade to Boxyluxe, which I had originally started to do, but then I don't really need tons of stuff, and I think just getting the smaller boxes are better for me, so I don't have so much stuff, if that makes any sense. There really wasn't anything in that Boxyluxe that I wanted to try. They're products I've already used, so I skipped that and then just stuck with the regular Boxycharm. You get this little box, lift it up, it's cute. You get a little information card, and it's Boxycharm All Access. So I got this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I actually love Dr. Brandt products. I think that they are very good, and I have never tried this, so I can't wait to incorporate this into my nighttime skincare. Oh, it doesn't smell bad either. It's really, oh, it's very nice. It's like a silky, very silky. So I'm excited to try this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And then again, I will let you know what I think. Next, I got a set of Moda Pro, and this is from Royal and Langnickel. I do have other Royal and Langnickel brushes, not the Moda type, so I'm excited to try this. This is the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So, and then it says it's 100% vegan. So you'll be seeing these soon. This Hank and Henry Blickty black eyeliner. It looks like a blackish brown. I like the tip. Got the felt tip type. Yeah, I'll be using this soon as well. $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This is new. I've never heard of this. It's one of these. I don't have any experience using these. It's just to tell you. So it's just, I guess I'll figure it out. It makes little lines. So I'll give this a try again soon. And then last, I got a Violet Voss Essentials. I'm excited for this one. I have never tried Violet Voss's products before, although I know that they get really good reviews. So this is the color story in this. Really pretty colors. Nice mirror. I'll just use my arm for these swatches. Ooh, that is awesome. I'm getting quite a bit of pigment. Okay, and we'll wait on those. We'll do this first 3. Cream. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Sand. That one is very pretty as well. Sorry, I gotta start over here. Terracotta. Look at that green. Holy moly. And that pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's gold. emerald. That is stunning. Very stunning. Pink. Those are beautiful. And then we'll do the last four. Dusty Rose. Plum Berry. That's a good finger. That's pretty. Oh, where was I? Cinnamon. And black. I'm excited to try this palette. My final thoughts on this Boxycharm September box is I am so excited to try some of these products. Like I said, I've never used a Violet Voss makeup palette, eyeshadow. This Blickty Black by Hank and Henry. I really like it. So I'm excited to try this one out as well. And then of course this microblade effect by Billion Dollar Brows. And maybe this is foolproof and I'll be able to do it. And then of course we have Dr. Brandt. I've never used this product, although I am familiar with the brand and I do like it. So I'm excited for this mask. And then of course these brushes. I love brushes and I love trying out new ones so I can give recommendations. Especially, I know there's a lot of people who specifically want brushes that are like vegan and cruelty free and everything. So I'm excited to try these. Anyway, I am excited for next month's box. I think this is a subscription I'm going to keep for a while because I've been very pleased and satisfied with it. I will leave all the products down below so that you can check them out, and then I will be back shortly because my Sephora box came too. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it so very much. I really do. It makes my day when I see that anybody's watching my videos and they make like thumbs up and leave comments. It's just amazing. Oh, I'm just noticing now my nose ring looks a little weird. It's a different brand and I'll have to change it out. I don't like all that attention right there. Anyway, thank you again. I appreciate it so much. You're just like a extended family to me, and I'm just so happy that I have a wonderful community and that I'm doing things that people are enjoying for looks and different types of eyeshadows and makeup. Anyway, you guys take care. Love you much.